into war. Kapuri Thakur was an Indian politician who served two terms as the 11th Chief Minister of Bihar, first from December 1970 to June 1971, and then from the June 1997 to April 1979. He was probably known as Jan Nayak, People's Hero. On 26 January 2024, he will be posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award honor, the Bharat Ratna, by the Government of India. As an announcement by the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, 24 January 2024, days before Republic Day. Kapuri Thakur was born to Gokul Thakur and Ram Dulari Devi at Pudanjia, now Kapuri Gram, village in Samastipur district of Bihar. He belongs to the Nair Barbar community. He was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and Satyanarayana Sinha. He was joined the All India Student Federation as a student activist. He left his graduate college to join the Quit India movement. For his participation in the Indian independence movement, he spent 26 months in prison. After India gained independence, Thakur was the teacher in the village school. He became the member of Bihar Vidhan Sabha in 1952 from Tajpur constituency as the Socialist Party candidate. Thakur was a votary of Hindi language, and as the Education Minister of Bihar, he removed English as the compulsory subject for the matriculation children. It is alleged that the Bihari students suffer due to the resulting low standard of English medium education in the state. Thakur served as a minister and deputy chief minister of Bihar before becoming the first non-Congress socialist chief minister of Bihar in 1970. He also enforced total prohibition of alcohol in Bihar. During his reign, many schools and colleges were established in his name in the backward areas of Bihar. A socialist leader, Thakur was close to Jayaprakash Narayan during the emergency of India, 1975 to 1977, and he other prominent leader of Janata Party led the total revolution movement aimed to non-violent transformation of the Indian society. In the 1977 Bihar Legislative Assembly election, the ruling Indian National Congress suffered a heavy defeat at the hands of Janata Party. After the Janata Party came to power, Thakur became a chief minister of Bihar for the second time by winning the legislative party election against the Bharatiya Janata Party. President Satyanarayana Sinha from of Congress by the vote of 144 to vote 84. In Janata Party split in July 1979, Kapuri Thakur sided with the outgoing Charan Singh faction. He was elected from the Samastipur Vidhan Sabha constituency to Bihar Vidhan Sabha Janata Party regular candidate in 1980 election. His party changed its name to Bharatiya Lok Dal later. Thakur was elected to Bihar Vidhan Sabha as its candidate in 1985 election from the Sonbarsa constituency. He passed from this Vidhan school complete his term. Thakur was known as the champion of the poor. In 1978, Kapuri Thakur introduced 26 reservation model in Bihar for the backward classes in government jobs. In this late reservation of regime, other backward class got 12%, most backward classes got 8%, women got 3% reservation, and economic backward classes EBWS from among the upper caste got 3% reservation in state government job. In 1977, Devendra Prasad Yadav resigned from the Bihar Vidhan Sabha and paved the way for Thakur constituency, the Pulhas Vidhan constituency by election. Thakur won the margin of 65,000 votes, defeating Ram Jaipal Singh Yadav of INC. Thakur served as the president of Samagupta Socialist Party. He called a mentor to the prominent Bihari leaders such as Lalu Prasad Yadav, Ram Vilas Paswan, Devendra Prasad Yadav, and Nitish Kumar. V.S. Kapsian from Mithilanchal feel pride that a great leader of amazing social worker from politician led Sri Kalpuri Thakurji will be known as the Bharat Ratna. Sri Kalpuri Thakurji, Jai Mithilanchal, Jai Maithili. Thank you.